15th problem. If x by a is equal to y by b is equal to z by c, prove that x square plus y square plus z square divided by a square plus b square plus c square is equal to px plus py qy plus rz divided by pa plus qb plus rc whole square is there. Here they have given ratio. Solution, 3 ratios, they are in proportion. X by a is equal to y by b is equal to z by c. They are having same answer, is equal to. For x by a also k only. Implies x is equal to ka. Next, y by b is equal to k. For this also y is equal to kb. Next, z by c is equal to k. Same answer, constant. That's why is equal to is there. Equal answer. Implies z is equal to kc. Cross multiplication, we'll get these. Now these we are going to substitute in the place of x, y and z. Now take, they told prove that. Take LHS. What is LHS? X square plus y square plus z square divided by a square plus b square plus c square. What is x? Ka whole square plus what is y? Kb whole square. What is z? Kc whole square by divided by denominator as it is you write a square plus b square plus c square as it is. Don't change this one. Now multiply. K square a square plus k square b square plus k square c square divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Now in numerator you can take k square as common because k square is there in all the 3 terms. Take k square as common. Then a square plus b square plus c square is left divided by a square plus b square plus c square. This 3 get cancelled and k square is left. Are you able to follow? Now this is number 1 LHS answer we got. Now we are going to take RHS. What is RHS? Right hand side px plus qy plus rz by divided by pa plus qb plus rc whole square. Now we are going to substitute. Now RHS px plus qy plus rz divided by pa plus qb plus rc whole square. Now we know p into x means ka plus q into y means kb plus r into z means kc. We know this one. Divided by pa plus qb plus rc whole square. Now KAP if you want to write or KPA plus KQB plus KRC divided by PA plus QB plus RC whole square. Don't forget this square. Able to follow? Now you can numerator k is common. Take k as common. If you take k as common, what is remaining? PA plus QB plus RC divided by PA plus QB plus RC whole square. Now this PA, QB, RC both get cancelled. And what is remaining? K square is remaining. This is number 2 because K is there, square is there, K square. So from 1 and 2, first equation and second equation, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. They told to show that, no? Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. There we got K square, here also we got K square. In 15th problem, fourth bit, x by a is equal to y by b is equal to z by c. Same condition. Prove that ax minus by a plus b into x minus y plus by minus cz divided by b plus c into y minus z plus cz minus ax by c plus a into z minus x is equal to 3. Answer 3 should come. Now we know solution given. Already we know x by a is equal to y by b is equal to z by c. Same answer, one constant answer will come. So x by a is equal to k implies this is common. X is equal to ka. Y by b is equal to k implies y is equal to kb. Z by c is equal to k, that implies z is equal to kc. Now take LHS. What is LHS? Ax plus minus by divided by a plus b into x minus y plus by minus cz divided by b plus c into y minus z plus cz minus ax divided by c plus a into z minus x. Are you able to follow? This is LHS. Now we are going to substitute in the place of x, y and z those values. That is equal to a into ka minus b into kb divided by a plus b into x minus y ka minus kb. Able to follow? Next, plus by b into y b into kb minus cz c into kc divided by b plus c as it is b plus c into y kb minus kc kb minus kc plus cz, c you write as it is, z means kc, c kc minus a into x plus ka, in the place of x you write ka divided by c plus a as it is, z minus x kc minus kb ka because a value, so z minus x. Now simplify. Ka square minus kb square divided by here a plus b into k, you take common a minus b. Able to follow? Be careful. K you take common a minus b. Second term plus kb square minus kc square divided by b plus c into k you take common b minus c. B minus c. Next, third term kc square minus ka square divided by c plus a into k you take common k into c minus a. Are able to follow? Now in the numerator again k you take common. K if you take common a square minus b square by here also k into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square plus numerator k you take common b square minus c square, in denominator k into again these two, sorry this one b plus into b square minus c square plus, now coming to the third k you are taking common c square minus a square, and denominator also you get same k into c square minus a square. This whole thing goes one time, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much? 3. We came near RHS. We started where? Near LHS, and we got RHS as 3. So hence proved. So be careful with the formulas and simplify carefully. Sixteenth problem. A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F. Prove that first bit B square plus D square plus F square into A square plus C square plus E square is equal to AB plus CD plus EF whole square. Now solution given A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F is equal to K. One constant answer. So A by B is equal to K implies A is equal to KB. C by D is equal to K implies C is equal to KD. Next, E by F is equal to K implies E is equal to KF. Now take LHS. What is LHS? B square plus D square plus F square into A square plus C square plus E square. This is LHS. Now B square. What is B? B square means here nothing is there. Write B square as B square only. B square plus D square plus F square as it is, you write. But here A square means KB whole square plus C square means KD whole square. E square means KF whole square. So put square brackets. That is equal to D square plus B square plus D square plus F square into K square B square plus K square D square plus K square F square. Now that is equal to b square plus d square plus f square into, here you can take k square common. So k square if you take common, b square plus d square plus f square is remaining. Now multiplying, when you are multiplying k square into b square plus d square plus f square whole square, 2 times you are multiplying, so whole square we wrote. This is number 1. Coming to RHS, what is RHS? AB plus CD plus EF whole square, that is equal to A plus KB into B plus C plus KD into D plus C plus KD. Next E plus, this is E KF into F whole square, don't forget the whole square, that is equal to KB square plus KD square plus KF square whole square. Now take K common. If you take K common, B square plus D square plus F square whole square. Now give square for both. K square into B square plus D square plus F square whole square. This is number 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal, this is number 1, this is number 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Write that word. 13th problem. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that third bit A square plus AB plus B square divided by B square plus BC plus C square is equal to A by C. Now solution given. What they have given condition? A, B, C are in continued proportion. What is the meaning of continued proportion? Already have learned. Continuation will be there. A by B is equal to B by C. What is the answer? Constant K. So A by B is equal to K implies A is equal to KB. Coming to here, B by C is equal to K implies B is equal to KC. But here already A is equal to what? A is equal to KB is there. KB, B plus you write KC. So K into KC. So it will become CK square. What value? A is equal to CK square because K in the place of B KC you write. So K square C you write as CK square. Now substitute. Now you are going to substitute. Or in continued proportion here you write. Continued proportion. In continued proportion. So you can erase this one. You will get place. Now substitute. Take LHS. What is LHS? A square plus AB plus B square divided by B square plus BC plus C square. Now in the place of A, what you are going to write? KB. So KB whole square plus KB into, in the place of A we got KC, no, that you write directly in the place of A, CK square whole square plus CK square into B is kc or ck, anything same only, plus b square means kc whole square, everything will be in 1. Now b again, b square means kc whole square plus kc into c, because b means kc, kc into c plus c square as it is. Now c square k to the power of 4, c square k to the power of 4 plus c into c square k cube plus k square c square divided by k square c square plus c square k plus c square. Now numerator c square common is there, k square also common is there, so you can take c square k square, you are taking common. Here one more k square is left, plus here k is left, here nothing means 1 is left, divided by denominator c square is left, c square is common, so k square plus k plus 1. Now cancel, if you cancel k square, it cancels. Now c square also cancel, you got as k square. What is this one? LHS answer, k square. Find RHS. What is RHS? RHS, very simple, a by c. A by c. What is a? ck square. ck square by c. c cancel. If you cancel cc, you got k square. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved.